because we were studying the same courses, but having his different view on it really helped me question my view on the thing. So that was the good part about learning from others. Do you also learn from fellow students, and can you give an example?
Yes, of course, because when we have a minor project, we communicate with our teammates from the different backgrounds. Many of them study different engineering. I experience it in minor project more than anywhere else, yeah.
So learning from other students is I think it is there at the Han course, and it is essential, because making conversation, chatting about this stuff will let you learn from him, and also it could be that you're teaching him stuff that he doesn't know about or she doesn't know about.
Even we had kind of a Corona situation at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the course. We actually did some kind of rehearsal meetings, some students all together. And from there, of course, each of us did different research on the material from the classes and learn from each other all the time.
So sometimes you have to ask questions to make sure that your fellow students really understand what's going on. So sometimes it's also good to go to the basics. And it also means when explaining it, you have to be a master of it to understand what's going on and to explain it to fellow students.
I was living with a friend of mine who also came with me from Prague, and I really learned from him because we were studying the same courses, but having his different view on it really helped me question my view on the thing. So that was the good part about learning from others.